Rejection doesn't destroy your confidence. It exposes what it was built on. Think about it. One person says no, and suddenly you doubt everything. Your value, your attractiveness, your worth. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Rejection isn't the problem. What you do after it is. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact shift that turns rejection into confidence instead of insecurity. Most people treat rejection like a verdict. She rejected me, so I must not be good enough. But that mindset is what actually destroys your confidence. Because now your confidence depends on someone else's opinion. And that's a losing game. Let me show you why. Imagine two men. Both get rejected. The first one thinks, something's wrong with me. The second one thinks, interesting, that didn't match. Next. Same event, completely different outcome. So what changed? Not the rejection, the meaning. Confidence isn't about avoiding rejection. It's about how you interpret it. Here's where most men get it wrong. They try to rebuild confidence by getting validation, more matches, more attention, more approval. But that creates a fragile confidence because the moment validation disappears, so does your confidence. Instead, you need something stronger. You need internal certainty. And that comes from one simple shift. Stop asking, do they like me? Start asking, do I like them? That single question flips the power dynamic. Now you're not being judged, you're evaluating. And that changes everything. But there's one more piece almost nobody talks about, and without it, your confidence will always collapse again. You have to normalize rejection, not intellectually, emotionally. Because even if you understand rejection, if it still hits you hard every time, nothing changes. So here's what you do. You expose yourself to it. Small risks, conversations, situations where rejection is possible. Not to win, but to get used to it. At first, it feels uncomfortable, then neutral, then irrelevant. And that's when confidence starts becoming real. So if you remember one thing, make it this. Rejection doesn't lower your value. It reveals whether your confidence was real or borrowed. Build it internally, and rejection stops being something you fear and becomes something that sharpens you. Because the most confident person in the room isn't the one who gets accepted the most. It's the one who isn't afraid of being rejected at all. And once you reach that point, everything changes.